Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Miriam here. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. So if you're new, if you do that good old favor, you know where that subscribe button is, like right on the bottom part. You just click on that button, like pop, and you're part of the family. So welcome. But yes you guys, so I'm coming to you guys today because I wanted to do like a an inspirational, the KET braids. I'm pretty sure maybe some of you guys heard of it before. It's like a half up, half down, and it creates like a top knot bun. So pretty much, you know, I've been wanting to do that hairstyle for a minute, so I'm just like, you know what, why not, you know, today. So yeah, let's get into it. I just wanted to come show you guys how I finished. I did the sides basically, and that's the other side. And I had to add like another row of individuals, so I'll turn for you to see. I had to add another row. Hopefully, if y'all, I hope it looks good back there. I mean, but I usually use my hands to trace it, but now I'm about to do the back part. And I'll just show you an example of how I feed in the synthetic braids to create the look. So yeah, let's start. Alright you guys, so I wanted to I'm almost finished, but I wanted to show you what the front was looking like. I do apologize, I really tried to show how I was braiding my hair, but it was giving me a hard time, so I had to like step away from my iPad and look in the mirror and braid up my hair. But pretty much in the back, so I'm just gonna kind of show you, if you can see it. I'll try my best, but how I'm braiding it up basically. Alright, you guys, so I'm finally finished. Oh Lord, I'm tired. You see me doing record? Why you gotta do all that? But yes, Lord, I'm tired. You can probably see it in my face. But I'll just try to do like a 360. Woo. I didn't think it was gonna take this long, but it did. We shall see what the finished product look like tomorrow. Alright, you guys, so I'm back with the complete full look. And yes, like it took a while. I wasn't expecting that, but I'm glad I got it done. I'll do like a 360 for you guys just to show you again. So of course it's from the side to the back. I'll try to bring it to the other side. Of course to the front. So pretty much how I showed you guys like in the tutorial. Hopefully the tutorial was a bit helpful for you all. But I used about 3 packs, I want to say, and for when I got to the cornrows, I would say I used 3 pieces of hair because I was, like I showed y'all in the video, I was doing a feed-in method. So I used 3 pieces of hair for each cornrow that you see here. And I've never really wore the whole top knot bun because I always thought I looked weird in it. But giving this a try for the first time, I actually do like it. Like, it's not bad. When I first saw it from the actual the founder, I saw it on Instagram, like it was viral. So I was like, you know what, I really want to try this hairstyle. It looks so super cute. And I did it on my client before, so it was real cute on her. So I was like, you know, let me try it on myself. I will say that the top part here was probably the most complicated. Not like I couldn't braid it, but the fact that I wanted to show you guys through the camera, but it was really hard for me, especially trying to get the fronts and the sides. Like going towards to the back, going up, it wasn't that bad. But it was so difficult, so I was just like, I had to step away from the camera and go to the bathroom and try to do it as fast as I can. I know in the clip I kind of showed you guys how I was braiding it. It may have not been that full, but I was just showing like snippets of how I would braid the hair going up. But yeah, I'm trying to think what else, if I'm missing any information. How full that is. Like normally if it was just like a 3-layer cornrow, not that it won't be full, but I think it's like more on the flat side. But with the individuals, it just kind of give the hair more of a fuller look, which I really loved. It's not heavy at all, not at all. I used the expression braiding hair. What else? And yeah, pretty much you can accessorize this, you know, with the tutorial that I showed for you guys. Hopefully it helped enough. I mean, but if you have any questions, you know, just let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for the new subscribers. Welcome to my family. And those who've been subscribing me, love you guys. And I'll be glad to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment, share, like, you know, post it on the wall or something. But yeah, this was fun. This is real fun. Then I'll be coming back to you guys with another cute protective style. So you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.